A very good morning to my dear children. In yesterday's online class, I explained you what are human activities. Today, we shall be doing classification of human activities. Human activities are classified into economic activities and non-economic activities. Economic activities are those activities which are undertaken with the object of earning money and acquiring or creating wealth. Whereas non economic activities are those activities which are inspired by sentiments and emotions like love, sympathy, patriotism for one's country, and so on. Let us understand economic activities in detail. So, as I told you, economic activities are undertaken with the object of earning money. But how will you earn money? Money is earned through or by a way of living, that is, by getting a job or by doing a business. When you earn money, this money is used to satisfy wants. But how are wants satisfied? Wants are satisfied through the consumption or use of goods and services. Therefore, economic activities create utilities which result in the production of wealth. Thus, utilities are created and wealth is produced when there is production, distribution, and exchange of economic goods and services. Therefore, due to the above reasons, economic activities are also called occupations. Now, let us come to non economic activities. Non economic activities are those activities which are inspired by sentiments and emotions like love, sympathy, etc. These activities are undertaken or performed not for monetary gain, that means no money is involved, but for one's satisfaction and happiness. But the question is, how can one satisfy himself? One can satisfy himself by performing social, religious, cultural functions. For example, when a mother cooks meal for his or her child, it is because of her love and affection towards her child. Next is personal satisfaction. When we perform yoga, it when we visit to a temple, it helps us to satisfy our religious sentiments. When we donate blood